This is prizeX by Itash Kalra and Shreyan Arora for Douglas County High School FBLA. Let's go into the app. When we open up the app, you either have the option of logging in with an account you have already created, or if you haven't created one yet, you can sign up with a new one. I'll go ahead and log in with my old account.
And I'll go ahead and create a new account. As you can see, I have to use an email that I haven't previously utilized before, so I'll use my Hotmail account. I have to create a username that's friendly, and I'll create a password that's simple yet secure. I click return. My sign-up process is now complete, and we can both see the global feed. Itash signing in with his old account and me signing in with the new account. We see the same feed with the same items.
As you can see here, all the items are the same, so that anybody who has the app can see any of the items that you or others have posted. If you click on an item, you can actually see whoever posted it and the details of it.
And if I was to click on the same item, I'd be seeing the exact same details since we're seeing the global feed.
Another feature of this app is that you can upload items of your own.
So I'll go ahead and show you that you can go ahead and add an item. I'll click here, I'll click change add an item, and I'll try taking a photo of a DJ set right over here. There we go. I'll click it, and I'll say use photo. I'll say Newmark DJ set, new, almost new. Perfect. Now I'll go ahead and give a quick description. Great condition, comes with all cords. And I'll go ahead and add a price, and I'll give it $300. Good enough? I click return, and I can click add an item. A little loading bar comes up telling me that the process is being completed, and once it's done, we'll be directed back to the feed, and we'll be able to see the item in the feed, as well as Itash will be able to see it as well. There we go. I refresh my feed. There we go. The DJ set's right there, and it's part of our global feed.
I can see it on my phone too. I can go in and see exactly those same details that Shrey just posted a few minutes ago. Another feature of this app is that if you'd like to contact a seller, you can do so right in the app. All I have to do is I can tap on an item, or I can go from the main feed, I can tap on my chats, I can click go to chats, and I can start a new thread. For example, I'm selling a MacBook right now. So I can say MacBook, I can start a thread, and then Shrey can go in.
I'll be like, okay, I want to see this MacBook, so I'll go into the MacBook, I'll be like, hello, I am interested. Itash will be able to see that I've sent this, and he'll be able to reply being the seller of this here MacBook. You can see that the chat automatically tells you that the typing is being conducted, and since it's a global chat, it's much like an auction, and everyone will be able to go and give an input. I'll offer a price of $400. Now if someone else was to come in, they can go in and on the same chat offer less or more, whatever the seller wants to do with the item. So this is a global chat, meaning that anyone can come in, much like an auction, and give the price that they want, and the seller decides what they want to give it for. Now once that process is complete, it's much like Craigslist, and the buyer and seller have to talk in the back end about what they want to do regarding the item. So the seller has to decide whether they want to ship it, they want to meet in person, whatever they want to do. That has to be decided between the buyer and the seller, and all the proceeds will be donated to us through any means, which can be done through PayPal or direct mail.
Also, for example, if we are going through the chat and I want to change something in the item, for example, I forgot to add a detail, or as Shrey just offered a new price, I would like to change the price, what I can do is I can go right to my account where I posted that MacBook. I can go in and I can just change whatever details I'd like to. So all I have to do for that is just go in here. Let's say I'm changing the price to $400. I can go in and click Save Changes. It saves the changes, and when you go to Shrey's account,
so if I click on mine, you'll see that the price is reduced from whatever the price was set previously, which was about $1,000. Now $400, you can see the green price in the bottom right corner. You can also see a timestamp, knowing that you understand that the item was posted earlier or later, which would make it simple for the buyer to understand how long ago that ad was posted, and if it's still an appropriate time to buy it.
And that's prizeX. Thank you. Bye.